And welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural homemade black soap body wash. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you so much. So to make this black soap body wash, I have my distilled water heated up. So after heating up my distilled water, I'm going to measure out my black soap. Here in my beaker, I have 198 grams of black soap. This is African black soap. I got this from Ghana. And my distilled water, after measuring it out, I'm going to cut the black soap into cubes. And after cutting it into cubes, I'm going to add my hot distilled water to it. Okay, I'm measuring out my hot distilled water. Here I have 545 grams of distilled water. And after measuring it out, I'm going to pour it over my black soap. After pouring it over my black soap, I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for 3 to 5 hours to make sure the black soap dissolves completely in the hot water. So after 4 hours, my black soap is completely dissolved. And the next thing I'm going to do now with a strainer, I'm going to strain this black soap liquid. After straining it, I'm going to measure out my black soap, the quantity I'm using for this body wash, and I'm going to measure out 250 grams as I have here in my beaker. Then I start adding my ingredient. The first ingredient is my carrot extract, and I added carrot extract, 35 grams of carrot extract, and I added orange extract, 54 grams, and papaya extract, 35 grams. And also added coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. I added 21 grams of fractionated coconut oil. And note, you can use any oil of your choice. So at this point, I'm measuring out my xanthan gum. Here I use xanthan gum clear. I use 5 grams of xanthan gum, and for my glycerin, I use 20 grams of glycerin, and I mix it together. And this xanthan gum will serve as a thickener for this black soap body wash. So after mixing it together, I added it to the black soap liquid I measured that earlier. And I'm going to mix it and let it sit for about an hour to make sure the xanthan gum thickens the black soap before I start my next step. And at this point, you notice I added preservative. I use liquid German plus. You can use any preservative you have available. And for my liquid German plus, I added 2 grams of liquid German plus to my body wash. And the next one I added now is my essential oil. If you don't have essential oil, you can use fragrance oil as well. And make sure you use 1% of, you add 1% depending on the quantity of the soap, the body wash you're making. Here are the essential oils I used. So guys, at this point, my black soap body wash, thick and creamy, is ready. And this is what it looks like. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix and transfer it into a sterilized bottle, and this will last me for 6 months maybe, but the shelf life of this black soap depends on the ingredient and the preservative you use. Okay, thank you so much for watching, And here is what it looks like after a day of making this body wash. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, and don't forget to use the comment section if you have any concern or any question. I'll always be there to answer your questions. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Find C Natural DIY on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.